we're gonna catch some fish today. Holy mother of... There's one. Oh, another one. Another one. Oh my. Oh, there's one. Another one. Oh! Pulled out. Came back. Yeah, we got one. Oh. There's one. Finally. Stay on. Stay on. Yeah, this is a white bass. Yeah, he's swimming right at me. I told you Tennessee is not gonna skunk me. Not gonna skunk me. Freaking finally. Don't. Just calm down. You are not even hooked, sir. How did you even freaking eat that thing? I told you Tennessee's not gonna skunk me. Not today. Not the freaking day. There's fella. Thanks for playing. Thanks for finally eating. You ready? A 1 and a 2 and a U. Okay. So that's a pretty good one. Tied on the rattle trap. I knew the rattle trap would work. Except the only problem is, come over here. I don't have my pliers. Oops. Here we go. Here we go. Hold on. That is a fat one. Jeez. Can you get some light? Number 2. Can you see? I can never get a good shot of the belly, but freaking fat little monster. That's what we're talking about. Rattle trap. Thanks for playing. Eee. Oh, another one. There we go. Oh, that might be a striper. There we go. That's better. Did you inhale that? Oh my goodness. Freaking inhaled it. Okay, hold on. Let's not lose you. And freaking hailed it. That's a little striper, fellas. Ladies and gentlemen. Okay, how is this gonna work? Okay, we're gonna have to get the pliers. Let's not lose the paddle either. Okay. This is a freaking mess. Gave you some life again, didn't I? Okay, the back hooks are free. Let's not re-hook yet. Okay. Alright. Not a bad one. Let's get you some... Oh no, my jacket. There you go. Striper. Hell yeah. Rattle trap. Real quick, one more. There you go. There's the butte. Alright. Thanks for playing. You ready? 1 and a 2. There you go. Should I probably retie? Doesn't look that bad, honestly. Let's keep it rolling. I'm not sure how far we drifted, but... Oh my! Just annihilated it. Here we go. Now we're hitting them. There we go. See, all we had to do was just test some stuff out. Okay. You guys hook yourselves in the weirdest way possible. Another fatty. Another fatty. There's the butte. Thanks for playing. A 1 and a 2. Eee. Oh, there's one. This swimming at me. Yeah, it was like, you're about to take off. I already know it. There he goes. Circling. Circling. You will not outdo me, Tennessee. Can't stop, won't stop. That is one of the most awkward things is when you're kayak fishing is where do you put the freaking rod when you're unhooking them? Very simple. Can't get really good light on them. There you go. Another little fella. Thanks for playing. Another one. Oh! Pulled out. Came back. Came back. That one feels a little better. I don't know, about the same size. A little better. A little better. These guys' fight just doesn't quit. Makes me terrified to use treble hooks with them, but if they're biting the rattle trap, then they're biting the rattle trap. Oh. Stop while you can, bud. There you go. These might be baby stripers. I can't tell. Yeah, they got a rough patch on their tongue. I'll have to look what that means. Oh, they're hitting again. Alright, we are crushing them right now, ladies and gentlemen. I gotta change the battery too. Nice long fellow. Alright. Oh! Thanks for playing. Okay. I found him again. This one hammered it right at the boat. Gosh dang. Okay. Oh yeah. No. Ah, there we go. Probably the best one of the day too. Please tell me we're actually recording for this. We are actually recording for this one. Nice fella. Nice. Thanks for playing. Oh. See ya. Yeah, we got one. Oh, is that a bass? A big bass. Oh my goodness. I knew we had... Oh my goodness. That's a big bass. Oh! That's a big bass. Inhaled it. Inhaled it. Get in the boat. Get in the boat. Nope. Nope. No! Hold on. Ugh. Did that just fall out? Almost. Guys, look how he ate that thing. Oh my good. Okay, this one's full. Alright, we gotta get him some water real quick. Guys. Oh my goodness. Still, biggest bass of the trip so far. Oh my goodness, and we're getting blown like crazy. You see the size of this thing? Golly. Look at that. Alright. Thanks for playing, bud. Ready? See? There you go. Alright, that's gonna be the end of the video today. You might ask yourself, why'd you leave if you're getting fish? I was gonna go to a new lake, and that's the whole reason I'm out here, is to do some exploring, do some adventures, but my check-in time for this campsite I'm at was at 3, so I was like, I might as well go. Gonna set up everything. I'll be back out on the water tomorrow. Catch you later. Ew.